Ayan po, ito pong pictorials na ngayon na nangyayari sa church. So ayan guys, ito na po pictorial na nangyayari. Ayan. Ito po tayo ngayon sa loob ng church guys. Ayan. Pictorial. Ayan po. Ito guys. Ayan si Narda.
Tinigay pa sa Flower Girls.
Not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak. In that very moment, I found the one, and my life has found its missing piece. So as long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white. That's my very you say I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white.
Walang kiss.
What we have is timeless. My love is endless.
Bonggang Narda. Yung bread ano yun?
Sing to the world, you're my every reason. You're all that I
Hindi na akong hair doon niya. Pero yung hair doon.
my heart, mean every word. So as long as I live, I love you. Will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so
Ito na po guys, yung aking finished product. I'm so happy na at last natapos na rin at ito po ang aking first assignment after the pandemic. So I'm thankful to God na binigyan ako ng chance again to work, to back to work. So this is how we do. So the bride and the groom are happy, very ecstatic sa kanilang araw. So ayan po guys, very emotional moment. Yung bride po ay naiyak-iyak na siya sa kanyang kagalakan. Napakano po, ayan, o diba? Ayan guys, very nice. Ayan. Kiss ko naman. Sorry, ayan po. Ayan po. Ayan, o diba? Ito po ang aming arrangement. Ayan. Ayan. The arrangement of pictorials is by sequence. So, this is the best man and maid of honor. Ayan po, the best man and maid of honor.
And next, Flower Girls.
And then next, the flower girls, as you hear it. Flower girls and bearers. Wow. So there you are, the flower girls. Nards, yung spread the spread, Nards. Ayan po si Nards, spread ng spread po, ayan. Spread assistance, ayan po.
There was love here. You are the reason.
Nards, yung bail niya, yung bail niya. Yan ano mo, sir.
This comeback. There was my mind raised. You are the reason that I still breathe.
Ayan po si Nardo, wow.
I climb every mountain.
hawakan mo naman yung flower girl na. Ibabam lang di ko na, Bill na. Yan, ganyan lang. Okay. Ayan.
Relatives ni
Ayan, we're witnessing the pictorial of the Holy Entourage. So, ayan po, ito po yung mga attendant. Ayan. They're calling for they're calling for nako tuloy si Narda.
Reminder mo na,